everyone, welcome to Jam with Kicha, strictly for kids. This is your host Kicha, and today, wait, where's our package? Let me just do a magic. Wow! Wow, it came! So I can't wait to unbox this. I'm doubting this is either a mini version of Monopoly or I have so many doubts. Like, is it Ludo, chess? It can be even connect 4. So let's see. Lego! This looks so cool. So this is the Hungarian Horntail Challenges. This is the Hungarian Horntail Triwizard Challenges. So I watched a lot of Harry Potter lately and I love the movies. Now I think I'm on my second or third one, and I think maybe a little later I'm going to be watching the next movie. It is really fun watching their movies and I love it. So this includes with a hut, a dragon, few characters and a small piece of land where you can attach the dragon to. So let's begin unboxing. The wings, stickers, packet number 1, instructions manual, and packet number 2, then nothing else. So let's start with package number 1. Here we have the stickers, the 2 wings, package number 1 and the instructions manual. So let's begin with the dragon. Here we have all the instructions and the finished dragon. It was actually not that tricky, but the only thing was the details. Like the dragon's head has had some horns back, as you can see. Those were a little hard, but still, it was a very fun Lego set to do. And I love the golden egg. It looks fabulous. And you can see how much detail there is. Like the fire is coming out, his wings are very spiky, and his neck is tied into the land next to his egg. Next, we're about to finish with the hut. I normally do my characters at the end, so let's move on to that. We have all the 4 characters here. That's Cedric lying on the plate. We have Victor Crumb. They both look angry. They have a happy face and an angry face. Harry Potter, Cedric and Victor. They all have that logo on their chest, and Harry Potter has that broom. I'm trying to make him sit on it, but then as you can see, it never works. You gotta make it into the correct position. Finally, we have Fleur Delica. And one thing I loved about all of these characters, as they have different type colors of magic wands. Cedric has a orangey, Fleur has a brown, like a tan, and Cedric has a brown. So here we have the complete set. We have the dragon, the hut, the characters, and obviously the dragon egg. So that's the whole set. Set number 75946. The Hungarian Horntail Triwizard Challenges. In Lego, it's always about that satisfaction of completion. every page you get closer and closer to completion, and you feel that triumph, you feel victory that you have beaten this Lego set, and you can move on to the next one and next one. And there is no boundaries to Lego. Even if you finish this set, you can break it up and make it into another set, or you could make it up into another type of combination. So that's a special part of our Lego. So thank you, Lego, for sending me this package. Thank you for watching Jam with Kicha. This is your host Kicha signing out.